Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your math teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today I will tell you how to solve the sums of exercise 5.1. Yes, fill in the blanks to find the factors of. Yes students, here there are some blanks that one number is given to you and we have to find out the factors of that number. Yes, now see how we will find out the factors. There are the A, B and C parts and I will tell you one part from here and I will tell you C part. Firstly 28 is there. Yes, first some C part I will tell you and we have to find out the factors of 28. Yes, how 28 can be written? We have to find out the two numbers. Yes, and when multiplied these two numbers we must get 28. Yes, and here it is like this, 28 ones the 28. Yes, then one more number we have to find out when we multiplied these both, that is 2 multiplied by 14. 14 2s the 28. Yes, then one more blank is there, so what we will write, 4 7s the 28. Like this we will fill the blanks, and when the numbers we are getting and we are multiplying these and we are getting 28, so we can say that 1 2 4 7 14 and 28, these six numbers are factors of 28. These six numbers are factors of 28. Yes, now see what is sum number 2. List all the factors of. Here are the A part 25, B part 42, C part 55 and D part 36. From here I will tell you 42. Other three parts you will do by yourself. Yes, here second sum B part. Yes, I will tell you. Yes, here is 42. We have to find all the factors of 42. Yes, how 42's factors can be written as we have done here. In the same way we will write here. Yes, how we will write here? Firstly 42 ones the 42. Yes, 42 can be written like this. Then how 42 can be written? With the two more new numbers, 2 multiplied by 21. Yes, 21 2 is the 42. Then 14 3 is the 42. Yes, then it's not coming on table of 4. Then 5 also, 42 is not there. Then table of 6, we will write 6 7s the 42. Yes, then again when we will write, we will get 7 6 the, and here you can see these start to repeat, so we will stop here. Then which numbers you get here? 1 2 3 6 7 14 21 42. So here we got 8 numbers, those are the factors of 42. So here what we will write? We will write 1 2 3 6 7 14 21 and 42 are factors of 42. Like this we will find out the factors of 42. Yes, now there are the sums. Yes, there is sum number 3. State whether each statement is true or false. There are the 4 statements and we have to tell whether these statements are true and false. Yes, what is the first statement? Every number is a factor of itself. Yes, every number is a factor of itself. Yes, every number is a factor of itself. Yes, and here you can see students, whenever we have found the numbers factors of 28, 1 is also there, and we have written when the factors of 42, then again 1 is there. So we can say that every number is having 1 as a factor. Every number is a factor of itself. And here you can see 42 is also there. 42's factor is 42. 28's factor is 28. Yes, when we will write all the factors of 28, we will also write 28, and when we have written factors of 42, when also we have written 42. So every number is a factor of itself. हर एक नंबर का फैक्टर उसका खुद का नंबर भी होता है. Yes, so this statement is true. So this statement is true. Yes, now see what is the B statement. B statement is the factor of a number is greater than or equal to the number. The factor of a number. Factor of a number. You can see here all these are the factors of a 42. एक नंबर के फैक्टर्स हैं all these. Yes, the factor of a number is क्या होता है वो? Greater than or equal to the number. Number is greater than or equal to the number. Yes, स्टेटमेंट का मीनिंग क्या है यहाँ पे? द फैक्टर ऑफ अ नंबर इज़, जो भी उस नंबर के फैक्टर्स होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? ग्रेटर देन दैट नंबर, उस नंबर से ग्रेटर देन होते हैं. सी हियर 42 के फैक्टर्स 42 से ग्रेटर देन है? नो, ऑल दीज आर स्मॉलर देन 42. और इक्वल भी हो सकते हैं बट नॉट ग्रेटर देन. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट वी विल राइट दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. Yes, now let's move to statement third. What is given there? Smallest factor of a number is the number itself. Smallest factor of a number is the number itself. Here you can see there are the some factors of 42. Yes, then smallest factor of the number, and here from all these factors of the 42, what is the smallest number? That is 1. Yes, statement क्या है? What is the statement here? Smallest factor of a number is the number itself. मीन्स इन सभी फैक्टर्स में से स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर खुद ही है. वो 42 के फैक्टर्स हैं तो स्मॉलेस्ट 42 है? नो. हेयर यू कैन सी 1 इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट. 42 इज़ नॉट स्मॉलेस्ट. इट इज स्मॉलेस्ट इज़ 1. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज़ ऑल्सो फॉल्स. फैक्टर्स में से जो स्मॉलेस्ट फैक्टर होता है दैट इज़ नॉट द नंबर इटसेल्फ. वो नंबर ही नहीं होता है. दैट इज़ ऑलवेज 1. येस, देन व्हाट इज़ द डी पार्ट स्टेटमेंट? 1 is the factor of all the numbers. Yes, this statement is true. 1 is a factor of all the numbers. Yes, this statement is true. Yes, जब भी कभी हम फैक्टर्स लिखेंगे किसी के भी नंबर्स के, then those numbers के फैक्टर्स हमेशा 1 से ही शुरू होंगे. सो वी कैन से दैट 1 इज़ द फैक्टर ऑफ ऑल द numbers. So this statement is true. Yes friends, hope you have understood these sums. Have a beautiful day ahead. Thank you so much.